行政長官曾蔭權朝早喺給香黨的信話，希望大家唔好再顧及不可能嘅目標，應該聚焦喺可以實現嘅事上面。又呼籲政黨妥協，令2012政制能夠向前發展。林妙欣報導。
曾蔭權話：人大常委已經決定咗2017年可以普選特首，立法會普選隨後喺2020年實行。佢相信大多數市民都會接受，但亦有啲會對於2012年冇得雙普選感到失望。
I understand their disappointment, and I respect them for their commitment to reach this goal as early as possible. But now that our timetable has been set, I hope everyone will be able to focus on what is possible rather than what is not.
佢話：而家唔係再討論應否或者幾時普選，應該集中精力研究點樣普選。佢又話：中央係衷心希望香港喺2012年政制可以有進展，香港必須珍惜呢一次機會，唔好再好似05年咁原地踏步。
It's crunch time for everyone involved in our political development. And if we can't make progress in 2012, it will not only be a great disservice to the people of Hong Kong, it will also be a great disservice to our own country. Obviously, political party will be involved. And obviously, there will have to be some give and take as we hammer out the details. But if we all approach this matter candidly, calmly, rationally and pragmatically, I'm sure we can forge a consensus.
佢話政黨要諗長遠啲，俾年輕一輩多啲機會參政，商界亦應該加入政黨或者贊助智庫，為雙普選做好準備。有線電視記者林妙欣報導。